Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Blackview A90 and let me share with you how to update apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required to download anything, and I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi instead of mobile data, so you will be sure that you will not be charged. After making sure that you've got the internet connection, let's enter the Play Store. Of course, if you're not currently signed in, you will have to do it, logged in actually, and after that just tap on the circle which is your account. Now let's tap on Manage Apps and Device and tap on Manage. As you can see here, we've got the installed apps, the list of installed apps, and if you'd like to check the updates, just tap on Updates Available. And as you can see, I've got 26 in my case, and all you have to do is to simply mark the app you'd like to update, and simply that's all. So you can update all of them, or simply like 2 or 3 or whatever. And after marking the apps, just tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. As you can see, the updates will be downloaded, and after that they will be successfully installed and apps will be automatically updated. So basically you do not really need to do anything more. So actually this is it. This is how to update the apps in your Blackview A90. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.